Hi Leonard, could you give me a brief introduction about you and your company and the purpose of your being here
Sure.
in Vietnam?
Yeah. As you said, I'm Leonard. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Suena. Suena is a startup from Hamburg, and we developed a software for big energy storages in combination with renewables. And this is software to optimize the operation, and it's kind of an energy management system. And here in Vietnam, there's already a big need for flexibilities like energy storages. So we see a big business opportunity here in the close future. So I wanted to start to find connections, get in touch with companies who are also in this field working in Vietnam, and that was it. Yeah.
Okay, then it means 1 week already, right? Then to whom you work with here in the team, and how do you see the efficiency of the from the support of he or she?
Very good, actually. I mean, when there are some issues coming up, it was really fast solved. Of course, the issue with the visa wasn't solvable, but this is just my mistake. But everything else worked well. I mean, for me, also there was the conference, so it was quite easy. But in general, it was really nice to work with the team, and everything what I needed was easily solved. So I was really happy.
Have you established any relation to any potential one here in Vietnam?
Well, still the strongest relation is to EVN, I guess. So I also want to meet them this week actually. So I also got in touch with some companies, and we exchanged, of course, our business cards. So I will see. So they're working in the field of wind and solar power, and some also already with battery storages. So let's see what's coming out of this. But of course, so there's some connection now built.
Okay. Then now talking about the logistic arrangement, mentoring, and the support from Phuong. And do you have any feedback about her attitude, her services?
Well, it's good to work with her. It's a lot of fun actually, and also mentoring. I mean, I liked also the meetings with other experts in this field here. So I learned a lot about doing business in Vietnam. That was quite helpful to get an idea when we want to start. So we know already, okay, there are some hurdles. This way you have to go. That's the smart way. That's a stupid way. Take care here. Take care there. So combining doing business like connections, talking to other companies, and with having some kind of mentoring, getting some seminars like workshops, it's a good combination for startups to start here, I guess, because this is very, very helpful to beside talking to companies. I mean, of course, also legal system and everything is quite.
Okay, so in conclusion, so far, what are the big achievements from a trip that you have until now?
The biggest achievement so far, of course, besides having some contacts now here, and also I was talking to other German companies who are working here and getting a better picture of what is the energy development plan. I mean, they're waiting for the energy development plan number 8. So I got a good picture what will be going on. I hope even getting more information tomorrow morning with the professor. And I think I really have a good idea how it could work with the IP, how it would be if we would start a company here, or how we would do the whole process. So for me, if I would now think about doing business here, maybe even outsourcing something, or I would have an idea how to start. So this is
cool. Yeah. So since you mentioned about outsourcing, then regarding to the meeting this afternoon with the 2 IT company, what do you expect from them?
Well, my expectation is to get a good idea how they work, and of course I want to know more about software development outsourcing in Vietnam. So because I mean India is big for it, so many sourcing it out to India, and some other countries, but I really want to get better idea how they work, what are the projects, and how, of course, also the pricing here, and to understand. And of course, if it works, if it looks good for us, then of course maybe going for the next step, because we have this front-end development topic which we don't need to develop internal.
Okay.